Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks for natural health and wellness. Today, I have a very special video for you, where I show you how you can make a natural detox drink that can cleanse your colon and lungs, and strengthen your immune system. This natural detox drink is made with 5 amazing ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. These ingredients are orange, honey, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. They are loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, and they can help you get rid of toxins, mucus, and parasites from your colon and lungs, and improve your digestion, respiration, and circulation. They can also help you prevent and treat common ailments, such as colds, flu, cough, asthma, bronchitis, constipation, and more. This natural detox drink is easy to make, tasty to drink, and effective to use. And the best part is, you can do it at home, with minimal cost and effort. So, if you want to learn more about how to make and use this natural detox drink for cleansing the colon and lungs, make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like and comment below if you enjoy my content. Let's get started. Why do you need to cleanse your colon and lungs? Your colon and lungs are 2 of the most important organs in your body, as they are responsible for getting rid of waste and delivering oxygen. However, due to various factors, such as unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, pollution, smoking, stress, and infections, your colon and lungs can become clogged with toxins, mucus, and parasites that can affect their function and cause many health problems. By cleansing your colon and lungs, you can remove the harmful substances that are accumulated in them, and restore their normal function and health. This can help you improve your digestion, respiration, and circulation, and enhance your energy, mood, and immunity. It can also help you prevent and treat many diseases and conditions, such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. How to make the natural detox drink for cleansing the colon and lungs. The natural detox drink is a simple drink that you can make with 5 ingredients that are easily available and affordable. These ingredients are orange. Orange is a citrus fruit that is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can boost your immune system and fight infections. Orange can also help you cleanse your colon and lungs, by loosening and expelling the mucus and toxins that are stuck in them. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, that can help you heal wounds, infections, and ulcers. Honey can also help you cleanse your colon and lungs, by soothing and coating the irritated tissues and membranes, and reducing inflammation and pain. Ginger. Ginger is a spice that has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and analgesic properties, that can help you relieve nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness. Ginger can also help you cleanse your colon and lungs, by stimulating the peristalsis and secretion of digestive enzymes, and by breaking down and expelling the mucus and phlegm that are blocking them. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties, that can help you fight inflammation, oxidation, and tumor growth. Turmeric can also help you cleanse your colon and lungs, by activating the liver enzymes that can detoxify your body, and by reducing the inflammation and congestion that are affecting them. Black pepper. Black pepper is a spice that has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, that can help you kill pathogens, parasites, and fungi. Black pepper can also help you cleanse your colon and lungs, by stimulating the production of saliva and gastric juices, and by increasing the absorption and bioavailability of other ingredients, especially turmeric. To make the natural detox drink, you will need the following: 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper. The method is very simple. Just mix all the ingredients in a blender or a shaker, and blend or shake well until smooth and frothy. Your natural detox drink is ready to drink. How to use the natural detox drink for cleansing the colon and lungs. The natural detox drink is a potent drink that can have a strong effect on your body, so you need to be careful and follow some guidelines when using it. Here are some tips and precautions to keep in mind. Drink the natural detox drink on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning, before breakfast. This will help you flush out the toxins and mucus that have accumulated overnight, and start your day with a clean and fresh colon and lungs. Drink the natural detox drink slowly, in small sips, and enjoy the taste and the aroma. This will help you activate your senses and your digestive system, and prepare your body for the cleansing process. Drink the natural detox drink at least once a day, for a minimum of 7 days, and a maximum of 21 days. This will help you achieve the best results and benefits, without overloading your body or causing any side effects. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, at least 8 glasses, to help your body flush out the toxins and waste, and stay hydrated and healthy. Eat a balanced and light diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and avoid processed, fried, spicy, and sugary foods, as well as alcohol, caffeine, and tobacco. This will help you support your body's natural detoxification and healing, and prevent any irritation or inflammation of your colon and lungs. Exercise regularly, at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, doing activities that you enjoy and that suit your fitness level, such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or yoga. This will help you improve your blood circulation, oxygen delivery, and lymphatic drainage, and expel the toxins and mucus through sweating and breathing. Rest well, at least 8 hours a night, and follow a regular sleep schedule and a relaxing bedtime routine. This will help you reduce stress, repair your cells and tissues, and rejuvenate your body and mind. By following these tips and precautions, you can use the natural detox drink safely and effectively, and cleanse your colon and lungs in a natural and gentle way. What are the results and benefits of using the natural detox drink for cleansing the colon and lungs? The natural detox drink is a powerful drink that can have a profound impact on your health and well-being, and you can expect to see and feel some changes and improvements after using it. Some of the results and benefits of using the natural detox drink are: you will have a cleaner and healthier colon and lungs, free of toxins, mucus, and parasites, and functioning optimally and efficiently. You will have a better digestion and metabolism, with less bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, or irritable bowel syndrome, and more nutrient absorption and energy production. You will have a clearer and brighter skin and hair, with less acne, wrinkles, dryness, or dullness, and more glow, elasticity, and shine. You will have a stronger and more balanced immune system, with less inflammation, infections, allergies, or chronic diseases, and more resistance and healing. You will have a higher and more stable energy and mood, with less fatigue, headaches, brain fog, or depression, and more vitality, clarity, and happiness. You will have a slower and more graceful aging process, with less cellular damage, oxidative stress, or age-related diseases, and more longevity, quality, and beauty of life. You can measure and notice these results and benefits by using various methods, such as keeping a journal, taking pictures and videos, doing some tests and exams, or asking for feedback and opinions from your family, friends, or health professionals. Here are some of the testimonials and reviews of using the natural detox drink. I've been using the natural detox drink for 2 weeks, and I love it. I used to have chronic headaches, sinus infections, and indigestion, and nothing worked for me. But after drinking the natural detox drink every morning, I feel so much better. My headaches are gone, my sinuses are clear, and my digestion is smooth. I also notice that my skin is softer, my hair is thicker, and my energy is higher. I highly recommend the natural detox drink to anyone who wants to cleanse their colon and lungs, and improve their health and well-being. I have been using the natural detox drink for a month, and I am amazed by the results. I used to have asthma, bronchitis, and allergies, and I had to use inhalers and medications all the time. But after drinking the natural detox drink every night, I breathe so much easier. My asthma attacks are less frequent, my bronchitis is cured, and my allergies are reduced. I also notice that my metabolism is better, my weight is lower, and my mood is happier. I love the natural detox drink, and I will continue to use it for the rest of my life. I have been using the natural detox drink for 3 months, and I am very satisfied with the outcome. I used to have colon cancer, skin cancer, and diabetes, and I had to undergo surgery, chemotherapy, and insulin injections. But after drinking the natural detox drink every day, I healed so much faster. My colon cancer is in remission, my skin cancer is gone, and my diabetes is under control. I also noticed that my immune system is stronger, my inflammation is lower, and my aging is slower. I am very grateful for the natural detox drink, and I think it is a miracle drink. These are just some of the testimonials and reviews of using the natural detox drink for cleansing the colon and lungs. There are many more, and you can find them online or offline, or you can create your own, by trying the natural detox drink yourself and sharing your experience and opinion with others. So, this is how you can make and use a natural detox drink for cleansing the colon and lungs, and what the results and benefits are. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to comment below and share your own testimonials and reviews of using the natural detox drink. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.